New York City, frozen, record-breaking snowfall, transit shut down, power outages, and now, investigations into cold-related deaths. This winter storm didn't just disrupt daily life. It brought the Northeast to a standstill. Over the past 24 hours, one of the most intense winter storms in years slammed the Northeast, burying New York City and surrounding states under historic amounts of snow. Officials are calling it a once-in-a-generation event, and its impact is still unfolding. The storm moved rapidly up the East Coast, dumping feet of snow across New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and parts of New England. Meteorologists confirmed that several cities shattered long-standing snowfall records, overwhelming roads, airports, and public transit systems. Subways were delayed or suspended, thousands of flights were canceled, and emergency services struggled to keep up. As temperatures plunged, the storm quickly turned deadly. Authorities are now investigating multiple deaths believed to be linked to extreme cold exposure. Hospitals reported an increase in hypothermia cases, while shelters reached capacity as vulnerable populations sought warmth. On social media, residents shared videos of buried cars, impassable sidewalks, and desperate pleas for help. Beyond the immediate danger, this storm has reignited debates about infrastructure readiness, emergency response, and climate resilience. Critics argue cities aren't prepared for increasingly extreme weather, while officials say the scale of this storm pushed systems beyond their limits. With cleanup expected to take days, possibly weeks, the economic and human costs continue to grow. Officials are urging residents to stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and check on neighbors, especially the elderly and unhoused. More freezing temperatures are forecast, keeping conditions dangerous even as snowfall slows. As the Northeast digs out, one thing is clear: this storm will be remembered, not just for the snow, but for the lives disrupted and lost. Stay safe, stay informed, and prepare, because winter isn't done yet.